Now I will show you how to make this form wizard to manage our entries. So we will just only navigate form entries. Okay, now we start. We'll make new. Then I will make blank form. Form header. Then I will insert tab control here. I will add page. For I will make this one details. Management. Here say maintenance. Here inventory. So we have 4 pages. So here we need to put or rename page details. Next is the very important, we'll put tab here. So management, I will copy this one. PG management and tab management. And here also maintenance, I will just copy this one. PG maintenance and tab is maintenance. Inventory, PG inventory and the tab is inventory. Now I will put first here, I will insert our text focus. I will rename txt focus. I will use that one later. Here I will put button, put next, send the next. In here I will put 2 buttons, send the previous. Then I will put option previous, and here next. Same the next one. Now I will copy this one. Right click, paste. So this is same the previous one, and this one is same the next 2, and I will copy this one. here, CMD, previous two. So now we have complete this one. Next, automatically it will open here, and next it will open here, and next it will open here, previous open here, and so on. So now I will hide this one. Put some code here. Again, here we have corresponding tab: details, management, maintenance, and inventory. We'll start here. Next, this is our txt focus. If we will click this one, so if we will click this one, automatically this page will hide, and this one also will be hide, and also this one, only this one will show. If we click also previous, this one will be shown, and this three will be invisible. Okay, start here. I will put me.txt focus, set focus. So every time we will click the button, automatically our cursor will go to the focus text box. Then control current as control. So we'll for each control in me.controls. If core dot tab, so our tab here equal I will check that one. I will put some note here to copy our tab. So this page will copy that one. This is our tags. So meaning if we will click this details button, so whatever, so next this one, so only management tab will be shown, the rest will make it invisible. Okay, I will copy this one. Just put all the tabs here down. Equal details or CTL core tab equal not management, maintenance. ctl core tag equal inventory, then we will make it invisible. Tag visible ctl core dot visible equal false. Else if ctl core dot tag equal management, then ctl core dot visible equal true, then enough, and we will close our control. Just to avoid any error. Form wizard. So if I click this one, this three will be hidden. Look, only this one will show. Again, I will send view. Now I will copy this one. Here, previous, copy, so meaning previous, so tag is details, so it will only visible. So we just only copy this one and change here, and here I will put the tag management. So that if I click next, if I click previous, now it's showing. I will copy this one. So next, so meaning next, maintenance. So this one is visible, the rest is not visible. Next, so maintenance only visible. So maintenance here I will copy, transfer here, make visible, and here management. Again, we'll try next, previous, next, previous. Okay. Previous meaning this one is visible, the rest is invisible. So previous, so only visible management. visible is management. Copy. Here details. The next visible is inventory. Inventory tag is visible. I will copy this code. Next, inventory tag. Inventory tag. Inventory here, visible. The management here, hidden management. I will copy this one. And the last, previous meaning maintenance is visible. Maintenance is visible. Here, maintenance. Visible here. Inventory. See? Okay, there's no issue with our code. Now we'll try. Next, previous, next, next, previous, next, next, previous. So all code is okay. Now it's showing there is a tab page. So we need to change to none. And also here we will hide. Look, this is our form wizard. Next, previous, next, next, previous, next, next, previous, next, previous, previous, previous. So this is it. This is how to make form wizard. Thank you and God bless.